for the first time, again, I have had my life at risk, and I've been up against so many national historic battles. Again, bearing in mind that they're always just trying to take down President Trump and previously candidate Trump, and also through his transition team. But they really, this is the first time with DOJ and the FBI just acting so unethically in support of the DNC and their consultants, etc. This is the first time that the law was actually followed. And, there's a lot more to it, and, I look forward to discussing that with you. But, there's just been so many laws that have been broken from day one. And, again, it's as you correctly uncovered going back 3+ years. And I can't thank you enough for doing that and all the support you
But,
gave.
it's not just a year of your life. This has been 4 years of your life. Abuse and power, how an innocent American was framed in an attempted coup against the president. That's what it was. And my question to you is, where do you go to get your good name and your life back? It's not just the 1 year you were being illegally surveilled. Now, also, we now know a lot more about what you used to do for a living. I would assume that, being a covert ops like that is not exactly work that doesn't particularly have its dangers. I would imagine that it's pretty dangerous work. Am I right about that?
No doubt, Sean. And again,